Let's see. BG. I have nothing. I have nothing. Are you hungry, Lincoln? Ouch, don't do that. Are you a little hungry, Lincoln? You want treats? What are you yawning at? You're hungry? Ha! Gotcha.
Vampires are evil, everything that they read is evil, everybody should be sitting around reading the Waltons, or something like that, book series, things like that, Nancy Drew. So they get all that out of shape over here, so this book called Entanglement 3, the children's book, and it's top the list for,
you want treats?
And it's basically based on a true story of two special...
No, you're so hungry. Look at all those ribs. Look at all those ribs there.
Penguins who raised a chick. I guess they portrayed them as gay. But two penguins that raised a chick. And it more challenged, more banned.
You a little tired, Beach? Don't be too tired. We still have to ride today.
So we want to know who lets your kids read the gay penguin. 1-800-231-115. Let's go to Rebecca. Rebecca, you're on New Jersey 115.
Lincoln.
We're doing good. How you doing?
Lincoln, don't you want the food?
What did you expect?
Hey, Ben. Benjamin. You being bad? You're being bad. I can hear you. I can hear you being bad. No. No. You're being bad. You're not supposed to crib. No. I think he knows, Beach.